You happy with the outcome of your 15-minute head-to-head challenge?
A little bit upset with the sauce. It's kind of starting to split.
You're right. The splitting is either because it's boiled too vigorously or there was a little bit of an imbalance with too much acidity. You feeling confident in the cook, medium rare?
I hope so, chef.
Because there's a lot riding on this single cut.
Thea and Jeremy, you struggled enough with the surf. So let's see how you do with the turf. You'll be making a steak au poivre, a beautiful cut of beef tenderloin, coated in pepper and cooked to a perfectly pink medium rare, then served with a creamy pan sauce.
Oh God, there's more.
And you'll also be making a gorgeous steak tartare.
Oh, interesting.
Since with this dish, the tenderloin is served raw, the key here is ensuring that you have impeccable seasoning.
Your dishes should look exactly like ours and taste incredible because this is a replication challenge. And you only have 15 minutes.
What?
No.
Whoever does it the best gets to stay.
I have cooked steak au poivre before and steak tartare a few times, but we only have 15 minutes. It's crazy.
I have a good track record with these pressure tests, but Jeremy is #1 to beat.
Your 15 minutes starts now!
Get it done!
This is incredible. They went from team members to rivals.
And let's remember, both of these home cooks were finalists in their very own seasons, so they are no stranger to pressure, intensity, and getting the job done.
They're back to win, and it all comes down to this challenge.
Holy moly, these are hard to crush.
Don't spend too long on that, Thea.
Oh my gosh.
She needs to move on to something else.
The first step in this challenge has to be prepping your filet seasoned with black and white peppercorns and a touch of salt. And then getting your tenderloin cooking.
That steak needs to be medium rare in the center.
The steaks are going to take almost the whole amount of time in order to cook and then rest, so I got that out of the way right away.
I noticed a very critical difference. Jeremy only put 1 piece of meat in the pan. Thea has 2 for backup. That's a smart move that Thea made.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't think that's a good strategy because maybe if you have too much in the pan, you're not going to get the right heat.
Come on, guys. Come on.
We only have 15 minutes. I'm moving faster than I ever have before. I'm fighting for my 2 little girls at home, my fiancée Agnes. I came here with a goal in mind, to take the title home with me. So I don't want to disappoint my 3 ladies at home.
10 more minutes left for 2 of the best beef dish you're ever going to make.
Freaking hope so. I just can't believe one of them is going home.
I know.
These cooks have to balance 2 different dishes constantly. They've got the steak in the pan. They've been preparing their steak tartare. For the steak tartare, it is so essential to have the perfect seasoning. Freshness from the capers and gherkins, a little acidity. The mustard adds another depth of flavor, and not too much of it, otherwise it becomes too wet.
I love beef tenderloin. I cook it a lot at home. My husband's from Texas. Everyone knows him as Texan. So obviously he loves steak. I'm doing it for him. So much is riding on the steak and tartare.
Doing awesome, Thea. Thanks.
5 minutes! Only 5 more minutes left! Come on, guys. Let's go, let's go.
Thea's taken both her steaks out. Now she's letting them relax.
Stay focused, Jeremy.
Oh, look at that. Wow. She is deglazing the pan right now with brandy. That's the foundation for the sauce.
Oh, yeah. Coming back for more.
Oh, this is crazy.
Oh, feels like my cream just went. I think my sauce split.
This sauce is very volatile. If the pan is too hot, it will split very quickly.
This is not what I need right now. So I immediately take it off the heat. I add more cream and I mix very quickly. If I don't get this sauce fixed, I am basically walking out those doors.
Jeremy's sauce, it looks like it's broke, right?
It broke, yeah.
It broke.
I look away for 10 seconds and the sauce split. There's not much time left. I have to try to save this.
They are both neck and neck right now. This is gonna come down to the finest of details.
1 minute. You only have 1 more minute left. Come on, get it on the plate.
Hustle, hustle, hustle.
One of you will stay, the other one will go.
Don't forget every detail.
Make sure everything's on there. Make
Get
it look
everything on the
nice.
plate.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Good job, guys.
It was so good.
Good job, good job.
Well done, guys.
My au poivre sauce is not looking how I want, but I know that the cook on my steak is probably gonna be perfect, so I'm feeling pretty confident.
I think I have replicated the judges' dishes as best as possible, but hopefully I fixed my sauce.
Hi there, Thea.
Hi, Chef Michael.
You happy with the outcome?
I am very happy with the outcome, Chef.
We asked for the perfect medium rare. Do you feel you've cooked this to the perfect medium rare?
I mean, I'm hoping so. I couldn't leave it on the pan any longer, so. Oh my gosh.
I think it's leaning ever so slightly to the rare side
Oh,
of medium rare.
Okay.
Seasoned really well. It's exactly the way a steak au poivre should be. Not overpowering, but enough to complement it. The sauce has that lush richness to it. Really nice job.
Thank you, Chef.
So, Thea, what I'm looking for in a beautiful tartare, I want to see that the meat is seasoned with all of the different garnishes, the chives, the parsley, the gherkins. I quite like the taste. A lot of punchy flavors happening there, good control of all the garnishes, really well seasoned.
Thank you, Chef.
Hello, Jeremy.
Hey, Chef.
You happy with the outcome of your 15-minute head-to-head challenge?
A little bit upset with the sauce. It's kind of starting to split.
You're right. The splitting is either because it's boiled too vigorously or there was a little bit of an imbalance with too much acidity. You feeling confident in the cook, medium rare?
I hope so, Chef.
There's a lot riding on this single cut. That's perfect. Medium rare. Nicely done.
Thank you, Chef.
Now let's see how it works with the sauce. Good seasoning, a good balance of the peppercorns. It allows the steak to shine. It is the unsightliness of a split sauce that is the biggest detractor on the dish. Thank you, Jeremy.
Thank you.
Jimmy, let's look at the tartare. All these ingredients you put inside also have individual flavor. So at the end of the day, it's the balance.
Yeah.
Now that is good. That is good. Perfect combinations of seasoning there. You got the aromatic in there. You got the spices in there. I'm impressed.
Thank you, Chef.
So tight.
Both dishes had their strengths and weaknesses.
I'm feeling pretty worried. I feel like I'm good enough to take the title. I just hope that I get the chance.
The stakes have never been higher, literally.
I came here to show the judges how much I've grown, and I feel like I'm just getting my stride.
I agree.
All right.
This was truly a battle of the titans. Two former finalists facing two tricky classics. It was inspiring to watch. And it's truly a shame that we'll have to say goodbye to one of you tonight.
Your steak tartare dishes, they're too close to call.
So we hung our decision on the steak au poivre.
As a result, we have to say goodbye to Jeremy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Sorry, Jeremy.
Jeremy, we are as shocked as you are that you're leaving us tonight. You have an incredible talent and a burning passion that comes through on every plate. And you have nowhere to go, sir, but up.
Thank you, guys. The last time I was here, I made it all the way to the finale, I wish I could have made it all the way this time, but I felt amazing to come back.
Your fellow cooks name you as the front runner. So let's see you prove it.
Yes, chef. I've grown so much since I was here last. I think a lot of people saw what I'm capable of.
He's so fast. He's faster than anybody else.
I just wish that I could have showed more.
You have all kinds of range here.
Thank you, chef. I'm not gonna walk away sad. I'm gonna hold my head high. I'll get to go home to my little girls. They'll still be proud of me. My fiance will still be proud of me. I always bounce back, and I always come back stronger.